Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this annoying DirectX 12 error. Is not supported on your computer while playing this game. It's pretty easy to fix, so try not to skip any steps. The first thing you want to do is to open up search, type in run, type in DXDIAG, press enter, and you'll see your system information. On the very bottom you'll see if you have the DirectX version, DirectX 12 installed. If you do not, and even if you do, I would recommend downloading DirectX 12 from their website. I'll put a link in the video description below, but you will see a page from the official Microsoft website. You will see this, select your language, click download and install it, and then reboot your system to see if that fixes the issue. The second solution is that if you have the game, you can, even if you don't have the game installed on Steam, you can click on add a game to Steam, add a non-Steam game to Steam. Yes, you can do that. Find the program or game from this list right here and add it. And then when you have the game on your library, right click on it, hit properties. From the general, you want to unclick enable the Steam overlay while in game, and from launch options you want to type in -dx11 to force it to run in DirectX 11, and that is it. That should fix the issue. See you in the next video.